So he has served the Indian Air Force for over 14 years and has involved in many important military operations, including, Punjab and Kargil. He's a motivational speaker, author, actor, anchor, adventure specialist, and outdoor sportsman. Above all, he is a music enthusiast, a good singer, and a very, very good entertainer, which you're going to find out now. Once again, happy to welcome Unni, and he is going to entertain us today and engage us with very, very special musical antakshari. Over to you, Unni.
Thank you so much, Rajiv. And I see that I do know quite a few people, in one way or the other, there's been some connection or the other. So I'm going to request Anup, who's the host, to probably make me also co-host. Then it'll be easier for me to kind of, moderate the session. And also, I will probably, Rajiv, need your help a little bit in case fresh people are joining. Because now when I split your teams, probably, we'll need to know whoever new is joining in. We'll need to kind of, shift them to the respective teams. So that's why. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Anup had requested me to kind of, just help with the session that we're doing this evening. And music.
Not Anup, Rajiv, Unni.
Okay. Anup and Rajiv, yeah. Yeah. So I just thought we'll make it an antakshari, but we'll make it interesting. We'll have different rounds. And so what the first actor that I'm going to do is to kind of, to split you into teams. I think, Anup, you'll probably need to make me a host so that I can split them into teams, because the co-host option is not giving me an indication.
Done.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks. Okay, so let me see if I can just get into breakout rooms.
I don't think we can make out breakout.
Okay, you don't have that. Is it okay? Then we'll make it without breakouts. Yeah. We'll make it otherwise itself. Okay.
Anup, that option will be there.
No, I have not seen it.
It will be there if you take. It is there. Can you make him the host? Then it will be available.
Yeah, I've made him the host. Now I can't check anything.
He's given me the host, but there is no breakout rooms option. So probably you've not chosen it. Doesn't matter. We'll split you otherwise itself. Okay. So I'm going to take probably the first 4 as the team leaders, which is the easier way to do it. Okay. So Shrikala Verma, you'll be team 1, and you'll be the captain for that particular team. All right. Yeah. Okay. And second was, I think, Rajiv. Rajiv, so you'll be team 2 captain. You and Shrija, probably Shrija. All right. Then I saw. I think. You know what? Why is it that we are having this? The other spotlight can be removed, I think. Yeah, I'm removing the spotlight now. Okay. So the third person that I saw on the screen was probably Nandita and Sunita, right? Is that right? Okay. All right. So Nandita, you're going to be team 3, and you'll be the captain. And Sunita, which I see as iPad, is going to be team 4 captain. Okay. All right.
That's a very unfair team, honestly, with Rajiv.
No. Now, since we have, I thought it will be easier if you break out the teams, random. But now that we don't have a choice, I will just go by whoever I see. Okay, so Shrikala is going to get Anirudh, Sridevi, and NK as your team members.
Sridevi, who are the others?
Anirudh.
Oh, Vishala, okay.
Vishala, yeah.
Vishala, Sridevi, and NK, yeah?
NK.
Okay. Right. All right. Then Rajiv is Naren.
Dinesh, can you please mute it? Dinesh, you have to mute it.
I muted him. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So Rajiv, you're going to have Naren, Ashok, and Sridhar in your team right now.
Okay. Super.
Right. Nandita, you're with Anup, Viresh, and Vyom Sinha. Is it okay?
Oh God, we should have got Priya.
All right. So that's why Sunita is lucky. So Sunita is going to have Priya, Thomas John, and Sujata. Have I left off anyone?
Can we exchange, swap Priya and Anup?
No, now this is only his random one. You can't change. I think there is only one person I have not given a member. I think Meena Bhatia, right? Okay, so Meena, you're going to be with Shrikala Verma.
No, that's Dhiresh only. That's Dhiresh only. Dhiresh
Oh,
Meena
okay,
same.
okay, fine.
That's a
Oh,
very strong
Dhiresh is
team.
separate. Oh, they're in two devices. Okay, fine, fair enough. Okay, so that's fine. All right, okay. So general rules, let me just put it in place first. Okay, Antakshri, everyone knows, I don't need to explain that. But only thing is, in Antakshri that we're playing today, it's not going to be the last syllable of the last word. Okay, it's going to be the first syllable of the last word. That means in case the word is pyar, you don't do ra, you do pa. Okay, it is going to be, say, kadal. It is not la, it's ka. Okay, so that's the first rule.
And ka, ki, ku, everything is fine.
Everything goes, and any language goes. Any language.
Yay!
English also, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
English also is fine. English
Absolutely.
also is fine.
But we can't understand English.
We've got one more. Senith also has come in.
No, there might be quite a few. Sorry, Senith is joined. Okay, so Senith is going to be with Shrikala. Okay.
Okay, Sanit, you're my team.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Shrikala, I'm
So
in your team.
rule number 2. Okay.
Inshallah.
Since you have approximately 4 or 5 people in each team. We have 9 rounds. So in case there is one Entu Cutlet who's singing too often, there is a problem. Okay. So what we're going to do is anyone who has sung first, okay, he doesn't get a chance to sing the next song. Okay. He can sing the third song, no problem. Okay. He sings the first song, then waits for someone else in his team so that they can chip in. Okay. So that we give a chance to everyone. So ultimately in 9 rounds, at least 2 chances everyone will get. Okay. All right. In case you're given another person a chance, no one has come forward, then this person who has sung before can come. There's no problem. Okay. Right. Rule number 3. You have, yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
Sujata is in my team. She is just logged in, so just tell her.
No, I was listening. I could hear.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So
Revati is my team.
you people need to keep track of your teams because I'm not familiar with all of you. That's why. Okay. Right. I think someone else also has joined. So Revati. Revati. So Revati, you're in.
Rajiv's team.
Revati, you're in. Rajiv's team.
Yeah,
Okay.
Revati will be in my.
Requesting all the captains, hi Anup here, requesting all the captains to write down your team members so we don't get mixed up.
Yes.
Okay. So, right, team, rule 3. Okay, you have 30 seconds to decide on a song. If it doesn't go through to that, I will pass it depending on my, my decision whether to pass the song or not. If it is an easy song, I won't pass it. If it's a tough one, I will pass it. Okay, right? That's rule number 3. And any song, you need to have at least 2 lines of it. 2 lines of it. In case you're stuck with 2 lines, it's fine. So we want to keep it fun. Okay. All right. So I think, do we have anyone else who has joined? Renuka.
Yeah,
Renuka, you're with Nandita.
And Jwala is also joined. So Jwala also has to go in another team.
Jwala and Sridhar are one team.
They're already there.
No, they
They're
cannot be
together.
one team.
can't bully everywhere.
Revati is also joined in now.
They're the same place.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, so Renuka, who's joined, is with team 3, Nandita. Okay, and that's it. Anyone else?
But I mean, you already knew that, right?
So, Meena Bhatia, I thought we already gave, right? We already.
Which team? Which team? Meena Bhatia, which team? Dheeraj and
Okay,
Meena?
I'll tell you. My team is Anup, Dhiresh, Meena, Vyom, and Renuka.
Right.
Okay.
My
so,
team is
I'm not sure
My
who
team is
TT is.
Priya, Thomas, who else?
My team is
Sujata. Sujata.
Sujata. Yeah.
My team is Vishala, Sridevi, NK, and Seneth.
No, but you've got a new person also who joined you.
Seneth, no?
Yeah.
Which
You were 4 already. With the new one, you'll be 5.
Me, Vishala, Sridevi, NK, Seneth. That's 5.
Okay.
So I have only 3 members.
Can you tell me, Srikala?
Yeah?
Just the ending word, no? You have to see.
The first syllable of the last word, he says.
How does it go in English?
Suppose it ends with kyar, then you have to start with pa, he says.
Not ra.
Not ra. Yeah.
Thomas, 3 और सुजाता 3
We have 4 in our team, Sunita. 4 है हमारी टीम में.
कौन है 3? आप, थॉमस, सुजाता and
आप. You.
Yeah, right now, Sunita, you have only 4. You will get one.
Okay.
I think that PTG, I'm not sure what the name is.
PTG.
PTG is in your team. Okay. Right. All right. So one more rule, yeah. Just basically etiquette of handling, internet meetings. Keep yourself in mute unless you're saying something or otherwise it becomes a disturbance. Okay. All right. Okay. So here we go. So normally what happens is you have someone singing the usual Antakshari song. That's how it starts now. But I'm not doing that. I'm just going to, kind of just play a song. And I'm going to just show you how it works. Even if you sing an English song, it works, For example, just to show you how, this is how it goes. So this is an English number, right? It's a song that's sung by many people. When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. The ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. பார்க்க ஞாபகம் இல்லையோ, பருவ நாடகம் தொல்லையோ, வாழ்ந்த காலங்கள் கொஞ்சமோ, மறந்ததே இந்த நெஞ்சமோ. So I'm saying you can mix songs like this also. So I ended with Ninjamo. So we'll start with Na for team 1. Okay, so I'm scoring you. So keep that in mind, all right?
Shall we start?
Yes.
Na ne na na ne na na yaro tana mella mella marine na என்னை தானே மறந்தேனே உன்னை நானே கேட்கிறேன்.
Wonderful. So Kate Kiren is what you finished with. So Ka for team 2. That is Rajiv's team. Ka. Anyone from team 2, Rajiv's team?
காலங்களில் அவள் வசந்தம், கலைகளிலே அவள் ஓவியம், மாதங்களில் அவள் மார்கழி, காலங்களிலே அவள் மல்லிகை, காலங்களில் அவள் வசந்தம்.
Super, very nicely done. Okay, so Vasantam is what Naren finished with. So team 3, that is Nandita's team, you have Va to start with. Anyone from Nandita's team? Va?
Don't sing something.
लो फिर याद आ गई, नजर के सामने दासी छा गई, वो भूली दास्ता लो फिर याद आ गई.
A gayi is what you finished with. So gayi ga for team 4, that is for Sunita's team. Ga.
गीत गाता चल ओ साथी गुनगुनाता चल ओ साथी गीत गाता चल ओ साथी गुनगुनाता चल. Hey team, you all can sing along, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so Chal is what she finished with. We are going the reverse round now. Okay, team 4 will get the chance again. Okay, and then we'll do a reverse round so that no one can, claim. Okay, then have a chance first. So Cha for team 4, Sunita's team, and PTG, you're in team 4.
It's
So,
Cha.
Cha, yeah.
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
All right, great.
I'm in Sunita's team.
Sorry. Okay, so we have got the second round happening, and it's going in a reverse round. So team 4 has got 20 points right now. So Sunita, just tell me the last word that you ended with, because there was some confusion that time.
The na कहना.
याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कहना कहना.
Team 3, that is Nandita's team. Ka.
Anup, sing something.
I can sing.
No, you can't.
Yeah, sing.
Dhiresh. No, not
Oh,
allowed.
Dhiresh can sing, no?
Huh.
If no one else has a song,
I can, but I can't sing. I can recite.
Yeah. Start.
Okay. क्या कर देखे साजना तुम हमसे दूर रह के हम तो जुदाई में अकेले छुप छुप के आहें भरा कर दे. Yeah, don't cry. It's bad, I know.
Never heard the song before. Never heard the song.
Yeah.
It's very nice. I'm just
It's a very old song. I didn't sing it well. It's a different thing, but that's a song.
No, perfectly. What is the last?
Actually is going on. The man is conducting it.
Karte the. Tha.
Squadron leader.
What's the
There's someone else speaking in between.
PTG.
Sorry.
Sorry, what is the word again, Nandita? Okay. For team 2. For team 2, Rajiv's team.
What is the letter?
Ka.
Ta, team 2.
Ta. Oh, okay.
थाली का था.
ठंडी हवा में चांद.
No, that's tha.
Ta, no.
था.
ठंडे पानी में.
No.
Ta can be used, right? Okay.
No, tha.
I'm singing.
Not tha.
Ta.
Can we sing?
Yeah, I'm singing.
THA.
Yeah, please sing.
Tataya ho. I don't know.
It's tha.
That's Tathaya.
No, please leave the decision to the moderator, please.
Yeah.
We'll take the call.
I will try. It's okay. You don't need to be
Beautiful.
Madam, last word बताइए. Sajna. So Sa for Shrikala's team. Sa.
Sa, is it?
Sa. Sarigama. Sa.
Sarigama pa mare naun mere sang mere sajna.
क्या बात है?
Sarigama pa. Super.
Okay. Thanks very much. Okay, so we're going into a normal round, but here this is going to be an audio round now. All right. So audio round, how does it work? I'll play an audio track for you. You have to identify the song. Okay, that means sing the song for at least a couple of lines. All right. So just to start, I'll give it to team 1 to decide what this particular song is going to be, and it's going to be in Hindi. Okay, it's a Hindi track. That much clue I'll give you. Okay. So I would request all of you to be on mute so that it doesn't disturb the sound of it. Okay. So here we go.
मेरा जूता है जापानी but is that the song?
No, it's not the song. It's not the song. So I
आवारा हूँ मैं
No.
आवारा
No,
हूँ
Wait,
it's
wait.
only for team one.
Guys, wait.
Only team one. Only team one. Sunita. Only team one, please.
Okay.
Team one, it's your chance. Anyone?
आवारा हूँ.
No, no, Shikla.
आगे क्या हूँ?
No?
You want the video?
All right. Okay. So I'll give this chance to team 2. Okay. Team 2, it passes only once. Team 2, if you get the point, you get an extra point. 5 points.
Avas, is it Rajiv? Avas?
Yeah, Rajiv's team. Rajiv's team.
Babuji, chalna. हो?
Sing it, sing it.
Come and sit here.
बाबूजी धीरे
And then you're
चलना.
Bottom left are the controls. That's all.
Sing, man, sing along.
बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में
बाबूजी
धीरे चलना.
Okay. Very good. Thank you so much. Well done, Naren. Okay. So this is for.
I will not be able to go in peace. You have to
So
come,
this is
bring your
for-
cursor here.
So this is for team 2, the direct question for you. Okay, this will be your audio track. Here we go. It's in Hindi again. And this is your song.
You. I know the song.
So team 2, your chance. Team 2, your chance.
SPB song.
Ah,
SPB.
Naren, it's a very famous song.
Salman Khan's.
Which movie you remember, Naren?
Yeah, it is Rajiv singing.
What is the song, Rajiv?
SPB.
No idea.
It's not SPB. No?
Move same when it comes to us.
You still have time. You still have time.
Can you play it once more?
Okay. Okay. No? Okay, so I'm going to shift it past once. Okay, so team 3, if you have the song, you can Nandita's team can guess.
Anup.
छुपाना भी नहीं आता. Is that the song?
No.
No. Oh my God.
Sing. Dinesh still has a chance. Dinesh, sing.
I didn't say anything. Yeah, why should I say I'm not in his team? Can we sing? Can team 4 sing? No, we'll just give it not for
Please
points.
pass.
Okay, so I told you to pass only one. So the song is Chori Chori
जब नजरें मिली चोरी चोरी फिर नींदें उड़ी चोरी चोरी ये दिल ने कहा
Mr. Rooney, please give us the point.
Correct.
Yeah, we knew it. Yeah.
Okay.
It was a pass, no. It was.
So this is for
I'm
team
absconding.
3, your
I'm
direct.
absconding my president's team and joining my wife's team.
So team 3,
Come, Anu,
this is
you're
your
most
direct
welcome.
question.
I will handle it offline. I don't want to say anything in the group.
Yeah.
You
So
hit him offline.
Team 3, this is for you. Okay. And it's a Hindi number again.
I know that.
जिए तो
Easy.
जिए. What? Which one is it?
No. Can we answer?
Oh, no, the song.
You're playing it quite long.
Okay. So team 3.
दिल है कि नंबर
Yeah. You told the answer.
Sergeant, it's this one movie. What is it? Sanjay Dutt and this girl.
Can you play once more, please?
Sanjay Dutt and Nandita Pandey.
Okay, this is only team 3 requested for repeat. So I just repeat again.
Can we answer?
Okay, I'm trying to give you songs that you've not heard for a long time. Yes, team 3.
Where is Vyom?
Team 2 can answer.
No. It's shifting to team 4. Team 4 has a chance.
Sanjita कहिए.
Vyom has disappeared.
गाओ प्रिया गाओ.
It's दिल के मानता नहीं ना.
दिल है कि मानता
नहीं ये बेकरारी
क्यों हो रही
है ये जानता.
No, you listen. So disqualified.
Okay, well done.
Disqualified.
Well done. Okay, so we are going to...
They're disqualified.
Well done. So team 4, this is your direct one. Okay, this is for you. The direct
Priya, listen. Sujata, listen.
Please give a tough one.
Okay. Okay, this is yours. Yes, team 4.
What is this?
Never heard of it.
No, it's a very...
Rajiv, it is really tough one.
It's a very...
Rajiv, it is really tough one.
Very bad.
Play it again.
Is it once again?
Okay. Actually, this portion should tell you what it is.
जाती हूँ मैं जल्दी है क्या
Brilliant.
बढ़ती जिया
Super.
Brilliantly done. Super.
तुम प्यार करने
Hey, Priya is not supposed to say. She's
मैं प्यार करने लगी हूँ मुझसे जो इतना डरोगे तो कैसे करोगे Super Thomas. Hey, Thomas gave the clue. I gave the this thing.
Great, Thomas.
Super.
Thank you, Thomas.
So you know what I'm going to do is to have another round of audio in Tamil, because there are some people in the group who probably don't know Hindi songs much. So I'm giving you a chance to make up on this. So the audios for Tamil goes like this. We are starting in the reverse round. Team 4, get ready. Okay?
Tamil and 0.
Hey, Tamila.
Team 4.
Shrikala to the rescue.
Telugu song.
Yeah, you can go and have a coffee.
Team 4. This is yours.
Seriously?
Rakkamma Kayyathattu.
Naren, are you team 4?
No, 2. No. Team 2. Team 2. Team 2.
मैं हूँ this is a Hindi version of the Tamil song.
I'm in team 2.
Okay, so let me explain this to you guys. This is not a buzzer round. This is a directed question to team 4. Only
I only sang. I 4.
We only answered.
Before I sang.
Team
No,
4 only
Naren
answered.
gave the clue. Remove
No.
points from Naren.
No.
I
If you
didn't.
give
I
a
didn't.
clue, it's your
I
fault.
didn't.
Anup,
I didn't give.
Anup,
Whoever
I gave.
gives the clue has.
PTG gave.
Guys, whoever gives the clue doesn't matter. Okay? If the team 4 sings the song, you're lost.
Yeah, PTG sang. It was from he's from our team. And
Fair
he
enough.
sang John.
Fair enough. You got points. You got points.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, PTG.
Hey, is there a way to permanently mute Priya?
Yes, PTG.
Don't do it.
Rajiv, I'll come to your house.
Okay,
Disconnect
only
the
one
Wi-Fi.
question. Only
Disconnect the Wi-Fi.
we have Vyom who's disappeared from our team, and we have Balaji who has come in and Hari who has come in. So can they be allocated teams, please?
And we have got Bijoy who's coming.
Oh, Bijoy can't. Bijoy has to come in separately. Bijoy, my team, instead of
Bijoy,
Vyom.
no, our team.
Bijoy, our team. Sujata,
Team 2.
Next to me,
Team
he'll be
two,
asking
Bijoy.
only, no?
Yeah.
Let's go as per sequence. Okay, so
Yes.
Nandita, you're
Bijoy is in our team. Bijoy is in our team.
No.
Guys, one second. Okay, Nandita, you lost one team member.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
No,
choose
but we
one
have
more.
to get one member first before her lost member.
No, ma'am, all are equal right now. Wait.
No, 1 minute, Mr. Unni. When Sridhar and Jwala can sit together, why can't Sujata and Bijoy sit together? When Vishala and Jwala, Vishala
They can sit
and
together, but
Sanjeev are
in different
sitting
teams.
together.
They can
No,
sit
I-
together, but in different teams.
No, I'm not here to.
No, he's sitting
Sunita,
with
no.
Sujata. Please.
Hey, for your guys, for your information, Unni has got a gun with him.
It's okay. It's okay.
So I'm not here to cause any Kudumba Kalagams or anyone of them. Okay, so here I'm only to just make you have fun. Right? Okay, so Nandita, you choose one person who has joined. One person.
Can I ask Bijoy to join, please?
Okay,
So nice of
Joy
you.
joins team 3.
Oh, Tamil.
Thank you, thank you. Unni.
Cheating.
Who's the additional person? Who's the additional person?
Balaji and Hari.
Okay, so
And
Balaji.
Sunil Varghese.
Okay, we are taking Balaji. We are taking Balaji.
Guys, one second. Both Balaji is
He's a
looking.
Tamil expert.
Let me allocate. Okay, all right. So
You
Varun, take charge.
one sec, guys. Okay, Sunil Varghese, you join Dr. Shrikala. Okay. Sunil Varghese joins Dr. Shrikala. Hari, you join Rajiv's team. Okay. And as I'm given to understand, Balaji is the third one, right? Balaji, right?
Yeah.
So Balaji joins Nandita.
Sunita.
Nandita.
Very
You're going-
cool, Nandi.
How many Nandita? How many members
We
to
are
Nandita?
I have only
Guys,
got 5
listen
people, guys.
Listen
We
up.
have only 4.
Listen up. Leom left the team, so Nandita got an extra person there. And now, as per sequence, she has got one more. That's all. Simple as that. Okay. Right? Okay, so team 3, get ready for your audio round in Tamil.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Who's team 3? Nandita, are you team 3?
Yeah.
What team are we, Nandita?
Yeah, we have team 3. Balaji, it's all onus on you because I don't understand a word of Tamil. So it's all on you.
Hari, we are depending on you, okay?
Tamila.
Yeah.
Where's the song?
Hari
Hari
is
is in team 2.
Hari is in our
Hari
team.
is in team 2. Suju, he's not in our team.
Oh, then who's in our team?
We didn't get anybody.
Nobody. Hey, then I'm taking Bijoy. Bijoy is in our team, no problem.
This is
Tamil song.
Hey, Sunita, one request. When the music is playing, if you speak, now they won't be able to hear the music.
Okay, can I request one thing? You give anyone, whoever person, you join our team.
Yeah,
That's a great idea.
I'll do it in the next program that I'm doing.
Then Antakshari itself is not there.
It should come and very cure, yeah? Do it now.
Sujata, one
Okay,
thing.
play the music. Play the music.
Yeah, I'll play the music again. Please be silent so that they can hear, and then we'll decide. Okay, right? Okay, so this is only for team 3. Only for team 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, team 3. You have a
பொழிகிறது
அந்திமழை
மழை பொழிகிறது ஒவ்வொரு துளியிலும் உன்முகம் தெரிகிறது.
Well done. You got the points. Okay, so 10 marks for that. Okay?
Finally
well
inaugurated.
Well done, team 3. Okay.
All of us are in team.
So team 2, be ready for your song. Okay. Team 2, this is a Tamil audio track for you.
Who's the captain of team 2?
Rajiv and Shrija.
And only Rajiv.
Hey Nandita, what is the team number? Ours?
3.
The team 3, Bijoy.
We are 3.
We are 3, Bijoy.
Can't hear.
We can't hear.
Okay, I'm playing it again.
You're breaking.
Can't hear.
Give us some points without.
Hey guys, if you don't keep quiet, you'll not be able to hear. That's the problem. If you talk, just wait. Just be muted. You'll be able to hear it. Okay? Yeah.
Completely mute, Unni. Not able to hear.
No music at all.
1 second. I'm just playing it again. None of you have been able to hear. None of you have been able to hear.
No.
Okay, I'll play it again.
No.
Starts and then it stops.
Okay, it's full volume, yeah.
No.
You
I think play a different song.
Only you'll have to mute everybody. You'll have to mute everybody and then play it.
All right,
Who
I'll
wants
do
to say? Yeah, I think that's best. Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't want to do that. Anyway, doesn't matter. 1 second. Okay, I'm muting all and I'm playing the music. Okay. Okay, I'll play another one. Okay. Okay, you should have got this by now. Okay, so
Wish you Happy New Year.
What is the song, sir? Hey, you know what? I think you guys are playing, the same other song also was so loud. Okay, you pretended you didn't know. You're not able to hear.
Nobody heard.
It plays for some time.
It plays for 2 seconds and then goes. It plays for 2 seconds and it goes.
And
back.
stops.
No, actually, only the other teams could hear very well.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This is the problem when Bijoy plays.
Okay, so this is for team 1, the last audio in Tamil. Okay, this is for team 1. Here we go. Yes. Shrikala, I'm sure you should got it. Brilliant. Well done.
Yes, Ravi.
That's the song.
Well done. Extremely well done. Very nice. Okay. So, all right. So, we're going to have one small filler, I had requested Rajiv that if we have some, people who can, sing in between to fill up the whole thing. And since Sridevi is pretty famous and she's got a huge fan following, we're going to request Sridevi to give us a song. In fact, she has chosen one of the most favorite songs that I love. Actually, it's from a movie called Alaigal Ovidile. And this particular song, though was recorded by Ilayaraja, it was not featured in the movie. But by itself, it's a brilliant song. So I will request Sridevi to take over, but I will request all of you to be on mute. Okay, so that we can hear her. All right. Right, over to you, Sridevi.
Yeah, thank you. It's really a privilege for me.
Sridevi, your track is not being heard. I think you brought it in front of the speaker. That's there. Keep it there. Keep it there.
Is it not audible?
No. You have to keep it right in front of your speaker. Yeah, place it there. No, just a little back. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
புத்தம் பொது காலை பொன்னிறவேளை என் வாழ்விலே தினந்தோறும் தோன்றும் சுகராகம் கேட்கும் இந்நாளும் ஆனந்தம் புத்தம் பொது காலை பொன்னிறவேளை வாசம் அதுதான் ராகமோ இளப்பூவினில் தோன்றும் அதுதான் தாளமோ மனதின் நாசில் மலரின் கோலங்கள் குயிலாசின் பனிமாசிகள் பனிதானின் வரவேற்புகள் புத்தம் புது காலை பொன்னிறவேளை வானில் தோன்றும் கோலம் அதை யார் போட்டதோ பனிவாடை வீசும் காற்றில் சுகம் யார் சேர்த்ததோ வயதில் தோன்றிடும் நினைவில் ஆனந்தம் வளர்ந்தாடுது இசை பாடுது வழிந்தோடிடும் சுவை கூடுது புத்தம் புது காலை பொன்னிறவேளை என் வாழ்விலே
Thank you.
Devi, wonderfully done. Extremely well done. Thank you so much. And what we're going to do is to, probably give them brownie points later at the end of it. Okay. But right now, if I had to tell you what the scores are, we have team 4. That's Sunita's team with 45. We have team 2, that's Rajiv's team with 35. We have Nandita's team, team 3 with 30 points, and Shrikala's team with 20 points. So this is where you are.
We get brownie points for Sridevi's song.
Mr. Unni, now Revati has joined. Can she be in our team?
Yeah, she will be in your team. She will
Okay, just tell her.
Yeah, where is Revati?
No, she is already there in our team.
She's already there.
In team 2. Revati is already in team 2.
She's already there in team 2. I had already told her. Yeah.
Okay, let Manju be in our team.
No, I thought Vyom has joined again, I think. Right?
No, Manju comes as a bonus with Hari. So she's in our team.
Then Sujata can join with Bijoy. What is this, yeah?
Then why didn't we get Bijoy as bonus?
Okay.
How many points, Unni,
one thing,
per
guys.
round? How many points per round, actually?
10 basically, but if you get a bonus point, you get 5 extra. So that's how it's going.
So we got both the Antaksharis right?
So 20 points.
That's 20. And then she guessed the audio round also, no?
Which one?
The audio round also, Sridevi guessed in Tamil.
1 second, let me see. It's 20 only as of now, yeah?
No, we got the Antakshari, both the rounds we got the songs. Vishala sang one, I sang one. And then the audio round, Sridevi
All right,
sang two.
my bad. Okay, so I've given
Yeah.
30 points, all right? Okay?
Yeah.
No, guys, we should stop questioning the moderator. here. This is not okay.
Vyom is going to be joining team 4. Vyom Sinha will be joining us team 4. Okay. Right. Okay, so this round is going to be taking off from the last word that she finished with. Sridevi finished with Puttam Pudu Kalai, Punnira Velai. She finished with Velai. Va for team 1. Any song with Va.
வசந்த கால நதிகளிலே வைரமணி நீரலைகள் நீரலைகள் மீதினிலே நெஞ்சிரண்டும் நினைவலைகள்.
Super. Okay. Alaigal is what she finished with. So team 2, any song, any language with A.
Arariraro.
Wow, kya baat hai.
தானிங்க பாட
Wow.
தாயே நீ கண்ணுறங்கு என்னோடு மிழி சாய்ந்து அரறிறாரோ நான் இங்க பாட தாயே நீ கண்ணுறங்கு.
Lovely, yeah. You got Yesudas's voice, yeah. Wonderful. Thank you, Raj.
Yeah, not the first one.
Kan Urangu is what he finished with.
for us.
Urangu. So team 3, who?
Ooh, Joy. Ooh, la la la. Ooh, la la la. La 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 la.
Two lines.
एक बगिया में Bijoy, I can recite.
Not accepted.
No.
Nandita, go ahead.
I can recite. एक बगिया में रहती थी एक मैना, पूछो उस क्या है
एक
कहना.
बगिया में रहती थी मैना.
Yeah, Vyom, thank you.
मेरा
वो है
बोलो क्या है कहना.
मेरा रंग हंसी है क्या, मेरा हंसी है क्या.
It's okay. Anyway, they've already got the point, so not to worry. Okay, so
Thank you.
Kehna is what they finished with. So team 4, Ka.
Vyom, get ready.
Hey, Suju singing. Sing, Suju. आज तुमसे ये पहली बार तुम ही तो लाई हो जीवन में
मेरे प्यार
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 So, okay, the next round is going to be a word round.
Complete orchestra.
So it's going to be a word round. So I'll just explain this to you. How the word round works is, I'll give you any word. Okay, so the team can choose whether they want a Hindi word or a Tamil word. Okay, and if someone wants Malayalam also, I can give you Malayalam. No
Hey,
problem.
lovely.
Then that particular word has to be used in the first 2 lines of that particular song that you sing. Okay, got it? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, great. All right, so team 1, your choice. What you want? Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, whatever that is.
Tamil.
Hindi. Hindi. We'll have one Hindi, one Tamil.
Yeah,
no?
fair enough. We'll do it
So
alternately.
we'll allow the captain to decide. Captain decide.
If you're sure, we'll go with Hindi, Vishala. Otherwise, we'll go with Tamil. Next time round, he asks, we'll do Hindi.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
That's fine, yeah.
Okay, so Tamil.
Okay, so Tamil, the word is Megham.
மேகம் கொட்டட்டும் ஆட்டம் உண்டு மின்னல் வெட்டட்டும் பாட்டும் உண்டு ராகங்கள். Okay.
All right, well done, Sridevi. Well done. Okay. So team 2, Rajiv, please decide you want which language.
Hey,
Malayali.
what do you think? Tamil?
Malayalam.
Tulu.
Malayalam.
Hey, I'm asking my team. Others, please keep quiet.
Captain, your choice.
Yeah, we can go with Tamil.
Tamil. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Tamil. So coming up for you guys, the word is Ulagam. Ulagam is the word. Vyom. Ulagam is the word. Ulagam.
అదే పద నా 31 అట్లా ఉలగం తమిళ్
Yes, Rajiv, your chance.
Ashok.
Yeah.
Ashok,
Can we take over?
Ashok, there is a song, no?
Yeah.
Ulagam Pirandadu.
Yeah, there is a song. Ulagam.
I don't know the tune.
You know
I
that?
know the tune.
Yeah, old.
Yeah, it starts with Ulagam.
Yeah, Ulagam Pirandadu enakkaga. That is it.
உலகம் பிறந்தது எனக்காக ஓடும் நதிகளும் எனக்காக.
No, there is another one.
Okay, I'll give you the points, but actually Ashok was talking about another song. Ulagam.
Correct.
No problem.
We'll get double points, huh?
No, sorry. You get 1 point. Okay, so team 3, Nandita, please decide what language.
Hindi, guys.
Yes.
Okay, Hindi it is, and the word for you is. I'm searching for some interesting words for you.
Joy, because of you.
No, because of you. You selected Hindi.
Okay, so the word for you is Pia.
Yeah.
क्या बोले यूं ही
No.
बोले
Adu Piyu bole, no?
पिया
मेरे
पिया गए
मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी, मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी,
मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी.
How many do you need? 5, 6?
How many exactly?
You can sing as many as you want. I'll give you 1 point only. That's all. Okay. Sunita, can you decide on the language?
Yes. Hindi.
Okay, so
Priya, what do you say? Priya, Sujata.
हिंदी only और
जी।
कुछ नहीं.
हिंदी थॉमस हिंदी.
ठीक है, तो आपका है मौसम.
ये मौसम का जादू है मितवा, अब दिल पे काबू है मितवा, दीवाने से हो गए अनजाने से खो गए, ये माता है कैसा ये मितवा.
She's the only one singing in that team, okay?
Hey, no Sunita sang, even Sujata sang.
Okay, no, she gets a chance to all these mixed rounds. No, she gets a chance to sing. It's only the direct words that we pass on that others. I mean, they'll have to get a chance. Okay, right. So we have finished this particular round. Before we go on to the next round, we're going to give a chance for one more performer from your side. I hope she's here. Meenakshi, is she there?
Yeah. Call it.
All right. So this number is going to be from Meenakshi. I'm not sure who that is. Okay, Meena, is it? Okay. All right.
Meenakshi.
Meenu.
Meenakshi is Rajiv and Srija's daughter.
Meenu Kutti.
All right. Okay. So everyone, please be muted, and we'll allow Meenu Kutti to sing for us.
Is music audible? Okay. So we are going to sing this together. காத்து வீசுதே இசை போல பேசுதே இளங்காத்து வீசுதே இசை போல பேசுதே வளையாத மூங்கிலில் தாகம் வளைஞ்சு ஓடுதே மேகம் முழிச்சு கேக்குதே மனம் கனவு திறக்குதே புதிய தாளம் போட்டு உடன் காத்தில் இருக்கிறேன்
Excellently done. Wow. Superb. Thank you so much, both Meenu and Rajiv, for a wonderful. I mean, I'm glad that both the songs that came as melodious ones. Nicely done. Okay, so Rajiv, how much time do we have after this?
I think half an hour now.
Okay, so I'll have 3 more rounds. In case we have to extend, then we'll probably have the normal Antakshari rounds. But these 3 rounds are going to be different. The one that's going to happen right now is going to be from team 4 to team 1. So the team captain can decide what language she or he wants. And I will play a video. Okay, so the video I will share on the screen. Now, anyone from the team is able to see it, we will go with it, because in case your internet speeds are low or something like that, sometimes the videos may not be seen. Okay, so just bear with me, because I'll be showing you the screen, so you'll need to get back to me whether you've been able to see it or not. Okay, so when I close it, you have to identify the song. All right, got it? So we'll start with team 4. Sunita, can you tell me what language you want? Hindi?
Priya, Sujata, which language? Thomas?
Hindi.
Hindi.
All right, so here we go. I will play the track and then I'll share the screen with you guys. Have a look at it, then I'll stop it, okay?
Leila. Priya.
Leila
मैं लैला ऐसी हूँ लैला हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला.
One second. I will request you to just rethink before you tell me what the song is. Sunita's team, just wait, think about it, and then tell me what the song is.
The clip won't be shown again, huh?
It won't be shown again.
Either आप जैसे कोई और
Yeah, it can be आप जैसा कोई also, Priya.
So decide and let me know.
Yeah.
I don't. Yeah, I think आप जैसा कोई. I can't remember.
Okay, so you have to sing the song. So your chance starts now. You can sing the song and tell me what it is.
We'll go with आप जैसा कोई सुजू.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, well done. That was the song. Yeah.
आप जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में
आए तो बात बन जाए.
बात बन जाए.
Well done. Well done. Thank you very much. Good.
Thanks, Suju.
All right.
Thanks, Suj.
So
आप
team
जैसा
3.
कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए तो बाप बन जाए.
So team 3, Nandita's team, choose what language?
Any suggestions?
Hindi.
Okay, Hindi it is. All right. So wait for the screen share.
कौन सा गाना
दीवाना लेके आया है.
दीवाना लेके आया है.
दिल का तराना.
Okay, you got it?
दीवाना
So
लेके
tell me
आया
what the song is. Team 3 alone. What is the song?
लेके आया है.
अनिता दीवाना लेके आया है.
No, please sing the song.
दीवाना लेके आया है. दिल
जो एक टीम में मेरी टीम में प्रिया है ना बस.
One more line.
दिल का तराना.
दीवाना लेके आया
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Team 2, decide on what language.
Hey guys, Tamil is okay?
Yeah.
Go Tamil.
Okay, go with
Ashok,
Tamil.
either.
You have decided.
Marathi.
Marathi, agla
Okay,
program.
Tamil.
No?
Okay, Tamil.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. All right, here goes. All right. All right.
Thank you
So
guys for the clue.
yeah, exactly. So I don't know why other people are giving you the clue, but anyway, that's your luck.
Anyway, you would have got it.
Yeah, super.
You're
Well
just
done.
waiting for.
Yeah. So team one, tell us your choice, please.
What Vishala, NK, Sridevi, what do you want? Sunil?
I don't know Tamil. I only know Hindi. So you guys, majority Tamil, will go with Tamil.
Okay, Tamil.
Okay, Tamil it is done.
Okay, Tamil it is.
Revati Mauna Ragam.
ఏదో రాగం తందదు
Mauna Ragam.
Okay, so
Yes.
tell me what the song is. Be clear what the song is and how it starts. Be clear about it.
Yes, Sridevi, sing that umbrella song.
మేఘం వందదో ఏదో రాగం తందదు.
Okay, are you sure that's how the song starts? Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
Because then you won't get the point. That's why I'm asking you.
Sing.
That's the song.
Okay, so I'm going to give you only 5 points for it. Actually, it doesn't start Yedo. It starts Oho Megam Vandado.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
It doesn't start with Yedo.
Okay.
So I can give you only 5 points for that. Sorry about that. But that's why I asked you. I gave you a clue also. Yeah. Okay. Right. All right. Okay. The second, this round goes normal 1 to 4. So this is, I give you a situation. Okay. I'll give you a situation. You need to sing a song with that. Okay. All right. So whatever the situation, it can be in any language. There's no problem. Okay. But it has to be related to the situation that I give you. Okay. So here we go. And team 1, be ready. Okay, the song has to be a local street song. Local street song. Any song. Team 1.
Local street song.
Rakama Kayyattattu. Is it not a street song?
That's okay? Is that okay?
But are you team 1?
Yes.
Yeah, she is.
Okay. Go ahead then. Sing 2 lines of the song.
Sridevi.
Yeah.
Rakama Kayyattattu.
ரகமா கையத்தட்டு
Okay.
மெட்டுக்கட்டு
புது ராகத்தில்
ரோசாப்பூ
पालकट
Are we only three in this group?
Yeah, what about NK and come on guys.
We are only three
They're
of
all,
us.
they're all enjoying the song. Don't worry.
Oh.
Okay,
But I
team two. Team two, be ready. This is for Rajiv's team. So the situation for you is a sports team motivation song. Sports team motivation song.
Motivation. Second team.
Hey, Naren.
There are plenty here.
Sports.
Chak De India, but I don't know the lyrics. Chak De India.
Oh, Nandita,
Naren,
this
you know
doesn't
the
pass.
lyrics of Chak De India. Naren.
No, it doesn't.
Time up.
Bar bar bar. Sonaya bar. No?
Not bad.
Good try,
Sing
Naren.
two
Good
lines
try.
of the
Good
song,
try, Naren.
sing it.
Yeah, please sing. Naren, please sing.
Two lines.
Words. Somebody has joined the words. Bar bar bar. Sonaya bar. Ho gaya bar. हमने हो गया.
Hey, very nice. Well done, Naren.
That's a drinking song.
I'm sorry, I can't give you points for that. I can't give you points for that. You have to sing the song properly.
That sounds like drinking.
I can say.
Okay, Nandita, you can sing the song, but no points for it for you.
Right.
Then why should I sing?
Because this situation doesn't pass. You will get a
Okay,
different
so
situation.
I can tell the song Bijoy can sing.
Yeah, okay.
बार बार हाँ देख यार हाँ किसकी
बोलो
जीत
यार
है
हाँ।
बोलो
किसकी
यार
हार यहाँ चक दे चक
अपनी
दे
जीत
इंडिया
है उनकी हार हाँ।
चक दे इंडिया
All right. So I'm sorry, Rajiv, we can't give you points for that. I'm going to team three. Team three, your situation is.
At least give half the points.
Okay, I'm in a liberous mode. Okay, I'll give it to you. Okay, I'll give
Half
it.
point.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so
Thank you.
team three, your situation is villain. Villain of the movie makes a statement.
नायक नहीं खलनायक हूँ मैं
नायक हूँ मैं कल नायक हूँ मैं.
क्या बात है?
नायक हूँ मैं.
अरे क्या मुझे को क्या
Wow. All right. So
Priya, you don't sing, Priya.
Yeah.
So
Tamil.
actually, you didn't give the
Tamil,
guy
Tamil.
to the team the chance only. She didn't get
Tamil,
a chance
Tamil.
to make it.
பாஷா பாரு கடை எடுத்து வரத பாரு கோட்டு சூட்டு நடைய
So
பாரு.
team four, your situation, Sunita's team, your situation is a cabaret song. A cabaret song.
Priya, there are so many songs. Sing, Priya.
Only Priya is singing in their team.
Yeah, cabaret
We
song.
all are singing with her.
What? My
Leila me Leila.
Hey, I sang.
Yes,
Why you sing the other one?
that's a cabaret song only.
I
Yeah,
sang
fair
Pia
enough.
too. I sang
Fair
Pia
enough.
too. No, हो गया.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
okay, Priya.
Fair
too,
enough.
yeah.
Fair enough. No, but actually, I was what I was planning on doing was to tell that in case someone else apart from Priya sings, I'd give extra points. But then already.
It's a
Mehbooba is not
teamwork.
a-
You
it's not
cannot
a
give
cabaret.
extra point
Mehbooba
or
is not a
less
cabaret.
point. It is a teamwork.
Suj will dance. Will extra come for that.
She's dancing
One
also.
second, guys. You guys, that's not fair. You were saying only Priya is singing, only Priya is singing. So you're planning on making someone else sing. Now that also objection is there. Okay, so here goes the last round. I mean, this is the normal, different round kind of thing. The last round is going to be a transliteration. Let me just explain this to you. I will give you a choice to choose whether you want Hindi or Tamil. Okay, but what I will recite will be the transliteration of that particular song. Okay, that means it will have English words. All right, you will have to recognize what the song is. I'll only give you a choice of what language, but the transliteration will be mine. Okay, so we will start with team 4 giving me a choice. Team 4, give me your choice.
Hindi.
Okay, Hindi, and I will just give you the transliteration now.
No, she's there. No, she's there. Santa's there only. English only he will give, no?
Yeah, I'll give it in English, and you have to recognize the song in whatever that language you've chosen. Okay. All right. So here we are. Okay. This is how it goes. The moon gives you my recommendation. This is for team 4. The moon gives you my recommendation. Tell me how you feel. Let's lose the inhibitions and drop the safeguard. We have some misdemeanor to do. I'm going to repeat, okay? The moon gives you my recommendation. Tell me how you feel. Let's lose the inhibitions and drop the safeguard. We have some misdemeanor to do. So this is for you, team 4.
Does this pass?
No, it doesn't.
No, you can share it with Priya.
Good husband, no, Anup?
No, Anup, she did not share it with you. Remember that. Anup, not accepted.
Hey, once again.
If they win, the prize is going to come to your house only.
Okay,
Can
I'm
you
going
just
to do it
repeat
the last
it
time.
again?
Yeah, the last time. The moon gives you my recommendation. Tell me how you feel. Let's lose the inhibitions and drop the safeguard. We have some misdemeanor to do.
चांद सिफारिश जो करता
1, 2, 7, 6.
Yes,
What?
3, 5, 9.
Which is that?
हिंदी में बोलो
चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी करता है तुमको पता चलो जरा से यू नजर झुकाना करनी है तुमसे पता
Vijay, are you in team 4?
जिसको बनाना
Vijay is team 3.
होना है खुद
Vijay, are you in team 4?
I
Oh,
have
sad.
married to team 4.
चांद सिफारिश यू करता हमारी
Okay, fair enough.
Come
Priya,
on,
you
Suju.
got the point. So, if you're going to suggest for some other team, that's okay with me, no problem.
Yeah, no, I help.
We lose.
Unni, I have to continue to live in this house.
We want Deepak. This is articulate English, you know.
I know, exactly. So, team 3.
This was like Shashi Tharoor's, Shashi Tharoor has given the translation.
Thank you very much. So, team 3, what is your choice? Team 3, Andita?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Okay, Hindi. Okay, so here's your particular one.
Amal.
Okay, so this is how it goes, team 3. Why am I feeling so happy? Are there intoxicants in the air? Why am I feeling doubly high? Have you fed me sweet with your eyes? I'll say again, why am I feeling so happy? Are intoxicants mixed in the air? Why am I feeling so high? Have you fed me sweet with your eyes? Okay, Diwali chal raha hai, so I thought we will connect it somehow.
हवाओं में क्या नशा wait.
Vijay.
I'm waiting for team 3 to give me some help.
Team 3. Okay, so I'm extending the time a little bit, but you can tell me what song it is.
Tamil, then we will know.
Actually, when I say what the song is, no, you'll curse
So
yourself.
I can visualize the song, but I'm not getting the words. I know what you're talking about, and I actually picturize the song in front of me.
Thank you, Itna Pushpo.
Nandita, always losers say like that only.
No, hello, hold on.
Sharabi,
No. She's actually jumping, she's dancing in the fields, she has a blue dupatta, and
Give me a clue.
Okay, so I'm requesting everyone else to be muted except for team 3. Team 3, your chance. Another 15 seconds to
Okay.
Nandita, give a clue.
that one, yeah, Kajol ka song, if I'm not wrong. Wait.
I'm looking for any pen or English.
नहीं ये वो नहीं. That's not the song.
Okay, so time is up. I'm not going to pass this. Okay, the song is Itna Maza Aaya Hai.
You said Diwali, so I thought that was a holy song.
No, the Diwali came because of the
Diwali, so I didn't say that song. It's a holy song.
The sweet was the last part of it, sweet Ayana, so I mentioned Diwali.
But
you said Diwali, it is a very typical holy song.
I said Diwali hai to chalega karke. I didn't say Diwali.
Good one, Uni.
Team 2, Raji, what's your choice?
As usual, Tamil.
Tamil, okay. Okay, your Tamil comes up now. Others, please. Mute yourselves, guys. Mute yourselves, please. Okay, right. Okay, so team 2, this is yours. Dear moon, can you get beyond the sky and come over? We need some company today. We'll let you go early before anyone in this world sees you.
வெண்ணிலவே வெண்ணிலவே
Brilliant.
தாண்டி வருவாயா ஜோடி
யாரும் பார்க்கும் முன்னே உன்னை
அதிகாலம் அடித்து வைப்போம்.
Superb. Brilliantly done.
Super.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, so the last team, Shrikala's team, can you tell me your choice, please?
Yeah, Tamil, please. Tamil.
Okay, Tamil. All right.
Shinalis.
So I'll give you one choice. You want it to be the melody type, or you want it to be the Ghana type?
Oh my God. We'll stick to melody, guys.
Okay,
Shall we?
Yeah.
Whichever you are confident with, please chip in. Which is better, melody or Ghana?
I think we can take Ghana this time.
Ghana, then you have to. It's on you. Okay.
Let me try.
Vishala?
Vishala's gone.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, fine.
Are you sure?
I'm getting very nervous with the Uni's laugh and everything.
Okay, so here goes. You ask for Ghana, I'll give you Ghana, no problem, okay? Put it like that. Put it like that.
Apadi pode.
Apadi pode bannale.
Apadi
Easy.
That was the easiest.
Yeah, wow.
No, actually, I have tried this with other teams, but they've not got it. Actually, you guys got it brilliantly done. Okay, so someone else was saying that, sir, very easy. So for them, I'll give you something else. Same Ghana part. This beauty has good stuff. It strongly intoxicates me. Okay, that's for you. Whoever said it's too hard.
Tamil.
Yeah, Tamil.
It's not for our team, right?
No, you already got your point. Don't worry.
Okay.
It's open question.
It's open question. Someone
Repeat
said
it.
very tough. No, so I'm giving you a
Repeat it,
Ghana
Uni.
song in Tamil.
Repeat.
I'm giving you a Ghana song in Tamil, which you have to guess what it is. Okay, so this is a buzzer round.
Kamara kannale kaadal
So,
sangadi
I'll say it again. This beauty has good stuff. It strongly intoxicates me. Wow. Okay, so I'll give you a clue. Okay, so this is still the buzzer round. People can score on this. Okay, this movie is a Kamal Hassan movie.
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, the transliteration is this beauty has good stuff which strongly intoxicates me. Okay, if I tell you the song now, you'll come up and beat me. I'm not giving you my address, okay? Singari sarakku, nalla sarakku.
Oh my God.
Don't know what it means.
So I had a wonderful time mid-city. It was a really enjoyable experience. Rajiv, do we close now? It's 8:50.
Yes, yes.
I think it's time probably to close. Okay, but I will probably just sing a song and close it so that we have a great evening to keep in mind. Do you want to know the points? You don't want to know the points.
Yes, we want to.
Not interested. We can have a nice song instead.
Yeah.
No, I'll give you a song. I'll give you a song. But since there are going to be prizes for the first 3, in fact, Rajiv, you should make it first 4. Doesn't matter. Okay. So, but then there were some teams which did brilliantly. So I think you need to give them that the appreciation. We'll start with the 4th team. Team 3, you have scored 70 points. 70 points. Okay. Team 1, you have 75 points. Team 2, you have 80 points, and team 4, you have 95 points. Okay, well done. Well done. Brilliantly done. And so, okay, just to close, I will just play a song and we'll close with that. So, okay, I'll ask your preference. There are both Hindi and Tamil.
So sing Malayalam instead or English.
But not many will.
Hindi.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll try if I can mix it and sing. Okay.
Medley. You can have a medley.
All right. Okay, here goes. I would request all of you to be on mute. If you want to sing the song, you can sing, but keep it muted. Okay. अजनबी तू भी कभी आवाज दे कहीं से, अजनबी तू भी कभी आवाज दे कहीं से। मैं यहाँ टुकड़ों में जी रहा हूँ, मैं यहाँ टुकड़ों में जी रहा हूँ, तू कहीं टुकड़ों में जी रही है। பூங்காற்றிலே உன் சுவாசத்தை தனியாக தேடி பார்த்து, கடல் மேல் ஒரு துளி விழுந்ததே அதை தேடி தேடி பார்த்து. I don't know how many of you have heard this song before. It comes in the movie called
Dil Se.
Yeah, and this has beautiful visuals of Ladakh in the northeast. It's as if the song is coming in the background in the all India radio. but a brilliantly done song. One of A.R. Rahman's probably brilliant ones. Udit Narayan feels one of the toughest songs he has sung, and Unni Menon sung the Tamil version of it. रोज रोज रेशम सी हवा आते जाते कहती है बता, रेशम सी हवा कहती है बता, वो जो दूध दुली मासूम कली वो है कहाँ कहाँ है, वो रोशनी कहाँ है, वो जान सी कहाँ है, मैं अधूरा तू अधूरी जी रही है, பூங்காற்றிலே உன் சுவாசத்தை தனியாக தேடி பார்த்தேன், கடல் மேல் ஒரு துளி விழுந்ததே அதை தேடி தேடி பார்த்தேன், உயிரின் துளி காயும் நேர்மிழி உனை காணும் கண்ணே என் ஜீவன் ஓயும் முன்னே ஓடோடி வா, अजनबी तू भी कभी आवाज दे कहीं से. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Very nicely done.
Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed yourself.
Very
Oh,
nice.
amazing.
Really enjoyed. Very nice.
So can we have
Great,
Rajiv
great.
give before the vote of thanks? Can we have NK wants to just present something for 2 minutes, and then Rajiv will give the vote of thanks. Mr. Mehta, over to you.
Yes,
A surprise.
Screen share, please.
Rajiv, can you give him access rights, please?
Anup.
Anup, you're mute.
The host. I'm not the host.
Oh, sorry. I'll just give the host. You want me to give the host to
Mr.
Anup?
NK.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just passing on to Anup.
Yeah. That's good.
NK, you can share now.
Yeah.
NK, you can share now.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, first of all, thank you very much, Squadron Leader Rajiv Nair, for a wonderful evening. I'm not giving vote of thanks, but just I'm appreciating your effort which you have made.
Urni Nair, not Rajiv Nair.
Thank
you,
Nair.
sir. Thank you.
Great. Thank you very much. Yes. I'm going to share a screen. We have 2 slides to show. This is just appreciation of somebody. So let the surprise become. We thought we'll do in physical fellowship, but since that was knocked down, we are having it virtual. So I just put it in the same screen which I had presented for that award. So don't worry, just give me a time. I've just added there. So we'll skip all these things. This was, anyway, we have seen. Yeah, we have one of our members who had become Paul Harris Fellow. So we just wanted to recognize and appreciate. I'll request everyone to put your hands together and welcome this member who has become Paul Harris, Mr. Thomas John. Thomas, hope you are there.
Congrats, Thomas.
Congrats, Thomas.
Many congratulations, Thomas, for becoming Paul Harris member. So you'll join the list of PHF already in the club. And here is your shining medal. We thought we'll present you in the Diwali Fellowship, which was supposed to be physical, but it didn't happen. So I thought I will put it there in a slide so you can show it. So thank you very much. This one, I'm not sure. I also got in a separate brown envelope with +1 written and no certificate, no letter along with this. I'm not sure what it is. So
I haven't got mine.
You didn't pay last year, right?
Last year.
Yeah, this for the last year. During my
only came in
presidency.
last year. My certificate came in only in your year.
Oh, that is okay. Then you would have paid 1 year back. This Thomas paid during my year, so it has come now, which I'm trying to present. So thank you very much. Now this one, I'm not sure what it is. 1 + +2. If some senior members of the club can tell me what it is, I have no idea. This came without any certificate in a separate brown envelope. So I have sent a request to the district who has sent me, but I'm not sure what it is.
Jay might know. Jay might know if somebody is
Jay
added
there?
extra. NK, I would also like to add, on the first day of your installation, you had got Madhumita to also become a
Okay.
Maharis,
So
right?
maybe
So it
that
could be, yes, it could be for that.
No.
Yes.
It didn't happen to Madhumita because the name while sending, I think Jay made a mistake. He put my name only.
So then
changing was
maybe
a
it
big
is for
issue.
you.
So we left. Okay.
Then
okay,
it is for you.
Okay, and then maybe at the end I paid something extra during that COVID times and all. Maybe during this district grant which we had. So maybe that is what it is. But there's no letter, nothing. So I do not know. Maybe it is for that. So is this +1 and +2 comes like this? If
two, because you'll be a double Paul Harris. No, maybe the two.
Yeah,
See,
exactly.
there are two this thing, blue dots. That maybe it's a double Paul Harris.
No idea on that. Fine. Anyway, because there was nothing, no letter, nothing. But anyway, chalo, if that is the thing, then fine. So thank you very much, Thomasji. That was a simple announcement I wanted to do. Back to our club services. Thank you very much. I'll stop the screen share.
Thank you, NK, for sharing that information. I think it won't be appropriate if I do the word of thanks because I did the welcome. So I request Anup to do the honors, please.
Okay, so thank you, squadron leader Unni. In fact, I mentioned it to him that I remember meeting him very many years back when I was with Spencer's Travel Services with Raja Krishnan and company. We had a conference in Coorg, and you conducted the training programs for the first, I think, 1.5 days or 2 days.
At Orange County.
Orange County, yes. So that's where we met. Of course, you put on weight, I've put on weight. Thanks for. I mean, see. So the point is, it's very difficult for anybody to organize a function that is interactive online. And most of us, myself included, we've actually been fed up of staring at our computer screens and our friends who we meet once in 2 weeks, all on the computer screens now. So it's a great effort from Rajiv and of course you need to make this program a success. Thanks a lot for taking time out on a weekend to spend it with us. And thanks for those who missed out this wonderful evening. And a special thanks to all the people who have taken time out and made it possible to attend and participate in the Antakshari. And a very special thanks, very special, delicious thanks to Sunita for organizing the. I'm not sure. Sorry, Unni, I don't think you've got it.
No, I heard so much about the hamper, so I'm also part of it. Don't worry.
Yeah, so we've got this big parcel which will last us for a week. So thanks, Sunita. Thanks, Sunita, for the wonderful hamper.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Good night, and hope to see you in the next speaker meeting in the first week of December. Hopefully, physical fellowship at Presidency Club.